Aloha, it's Tiffany. Welcome back to my channel. I just wanted to thank you for stopping by. I do have a project share today, which are my cute little gingerbread tags that I created. I took a small break from Halloween crafting and I started on my Christmas tags. And so I just wanted to share what products I use for the first set of tags. And I did go ahead and use this Sugar Plum Recollections pad. This is, I know it's old. I don't know how old it is, but I do have a few of these Sugar Plum pads, and they're really pretty. The papers are very, you know, that pastel colors. You got the pinks and the purple and the light blues and the light greens and the pretty cut aparts. I'm sure you all probably seen this or probably even have it. I would say, I know it's over 2 years old. I just don't remember. I purchased it from Michael's. And so anyway, and look at how cute that is. So I went ahead and these are all the prints that I use. So I use this here. And then the die that I use is this cute little gingerbread die here. I really like this cutting die because it doesn't have too many small parts. I mean, it does, you know, the eyes here and the eyelashes. It has two different sets of eyelashes there. But overall, I mean, it was easy to work with. I don't like when there's too many small pieces. It's just kind of hard, and it's hard on my eyes. Ever since I got my LASIK done, like I have trouble seeing near. Like I have to wear like reading glasses, which I never had to before. But the reading glasses, I don't know, they hurt my eyes. But this was easy to work with. I really like this die. And then, let's see, I used some of my seam binding, which is this here. I just use this pink. I have a whole roll here, 100 yards of pink seam binding. And I just use some of my charms and some twine. And so this is, I'll just show you how they turned out. And so these are my tags here, which I think turned out really cute. I put a little charm here, my little candy cane charm. I put the jute here, the twine, and I layered it. So it doesn't come, well, let's see here. So you have the circle here for the face, which is this here. And then I backed it onto two different, into a circle, actually. And then, actually, this is my ornament die. I forgot about that. Okay, so that die is this one here. I've had this one for a while. I actually bought another set. I forgot I had one. So one recently came in, but I have, so now I have two sets of these. But they come in, I like this big size. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 different sizes of the ornaments. And so that's how I got to hang the string through the ornament. You know, the hook. And then I used my seam binding, and then I put the cute little candy cane there, and I made her a cute little blush. I used this here. I recently just found these. I saw somebody's video, and I saw them using this. I didn't know what it was called. I had asked them what, you know, what these brushes were called, but I just went ahead and did my own search, and they're actually, I bought these off Amazon, and they're blending brushes. So I think she told me it was makeup brushes, but I found it under blending brushes. So I purchased this, and it also came with this stand. So it came in a set of like 10 or 12. So when you're done, you can just put it in there, you see, and you can stand up a lot of them. And so that's how I made her cute little blush. And then I used my white pen to put the freckles. I just think she turned out really cute. So they're all the same. You see? And this one here. So I think these turned out really cute. I really like this set here. So that's the first set. And then the second set is this one here. So this one is using a different die set. I'll go ahead and share that with you. So let me just, all of these, I made them in a set of 3. So they look like this. And for this one, let's see here. Sorry, I put them all to the side. It's this die set here. This one was a bit tricky. This one has a really small pieces, and so it actually gave me a headache. I was trying to do the because it strained my eyes. The dies didn't give me a headache, but it's just working with it. It strained my eyes to the point where I gave myself like a migraine. It was really bad. But you see this here, these are like the eyebrows, and that was like the hardest part to put on. And so on one of them, I just used my black Sharpie, my really fine tip Sharpie, because it was just hard to work with the eyebrows. But that was the only thing. Other than that, I mean, the pieces are pretty big. And it comes with the layering dies as well, like the layering circles to match. And then the good thing about this one is it has an impression where to piece everything together. And I thought oh yeah, I did have one here. So I don't know if you can see that here, but you can see where the eyes go, the nose, the mouth, where the frosting goes, and where you kind of put the bow. And so that was easy to follow. The other one didn't have that, and so the eyes, like, it only had it for the nose, but for the eyes I had to just figure it out and you know, make sure that they were symmetrical. So this is the die set I used, and then I used My Creative Time, her tiny tags for the Happy Holidays here. So I used this set here. And then I put them on the charcuterie board by Scrap Diva Designs. I used the third biggest one here, this one. You got the biggest, the second biggest, and then the third right here. Or small, medium, large, extra large, extra large. I used the large right there. And then let's see, so let's go ahead and show you up close. So this is how they turned out. I think they're super cute. This tool is from the Dollar Tree. This ribbon is also from the Dollar Tree. This is, what is that? The table scatter from Hobby Lobby. And I just had a bell from my stash, and these are like the garment pins that I got from, I think it was Panda Hall. Gave those to me. And so, I don't know what happened here. Uh-oh, got stuck. This got stuck somehow. I gotta fix that one. This one here, this should be loose like this. See how the bell is loose? Something happened to that one. So yeah, so then I put the bell, and then I used a green garment pin there. The buttons I used for the bow centers is from Buttons Galore and More. This is a Christmas set. So I used that, and that's about it. So again, I really like how this turned out. So this is the girl. They come with the girl. This is really bothering me. I don't know what happened with this. Oh, there it is. All right. There, now it's loose. You see that? There. Super cute. So this is the girl. And then they also, well, it doesn't come in a set. You have to purchase it separately, but this is the boy. See how cute the boy is? And same thing. I did the Happy Holidays. I used a bronze garment pin. This ribbon is from Hobby Lobby. The tool is from Dollar Tree. The charcuterie board, and this is the boy. And again, I used the button from the Buttons Galore and More set. And so this is the girl. And then, oh, here's the boy. So this is the boy. And again, the only problem was the eyebrows. I mean, the eyebrows are so small, and I used the magic mat, so it's already black, and I don't know, it was just getting stuck in the mat, and I couldn't pull off the eyebrows, and I was just having a really difficult time with the eyebrow. But everything else was fine, as you can see. So I colored in the eyebrows with the Sharpie, because that was just the easiest way for me. And you can't really tell. The Sharpie, I'm lucky I found that Sharpie, because my daughter takes all my Sharpie pens. But let me see here. The Sharpie that I used is this one. So it's the Sharpie pen, and it's the fine, and it's fine tip. And so I just did that, and I colored in the eyebrows. And to me, it worked. I like the way it looks. It looks fine. But isn't he cute? So you got the girls, and then you got the gingerbread girl, and you got the gingerbread boy. So this is a set here. And then I did my favorite, my pastel, my pink Christmas. And so, yeah, so this is what I've been working on. I have some other projects. I'm in a swap, and I'm going to do a project share on that. It's one of those mini pocket letter, or a pocket letter roll, and something we make ourselves, like one extra as far as whatever we're into making right now. And so I made a couple projects for that as well. But yeah, this is my gingerbread collection. I'm super happy the way they turned out. I really love the colors, and the faces are just super cute. Well, I hope you all enjoyed. Stay tuned, because I do have a lot more to share. I have been crafting like crazy, and so I really have a lot to share. It's just finding the perfect time to do the videos. So just stay tuned, like I said, and I will be back soon. Thank you all for stopping by. Take care and have a good day. Bye.